Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to tell that how we can make tags for any occasion. For this we need two different colored A4 sheet. Now I have folded one A4 sheet in 4 halves and I have cutted it with the help of scissor. And now I am going to repeat that same step with this paper also. Now we need a green paper to make leaves. I have made a shape of leaf and then I will cut it with the scissor, and these flowers I have made with help of a purple paper. I have cut it in a circle, then I have rolled it. Now I am going to paste this all material on this yellow paper base. Now our tags are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.